Good morning friends, welcome to my channel Court Kautilyan. The name of the case that we shall be discussing today is Digambar versus the state of Maharashtra. I shall be discussing the case in story form to make it interesting for you, and so I would also request you to share my videos amongst your friends, colleagues, relatives and every possible person with whom you can share these videos with. So let's start. So Digambar and his wife had been married for a few years. Like many couples, they faced some differences, but those differences turned bitter. One day his wife walked into a police station and filed an FIR, not just against him, but also against his elderly parents. The charges were serious. Cruelty under section 498A and even graver ones, causing miscarriage, sections 312 and 313. She claimed she had been mentally tortured and even forced to terminate a pregnancy. For Digambar and his family, this FIR came like a bolt from the blue. They said the allegations were false and part of an attempt to pressure them amid a failing marriage. They approached the Bombay High Court, pleading that the FIR should be quashed. But the High Court said, no, let the trial go on. Now comes the turning point. The Supreme Court steps in. Not ready to give up, Digambar took his plea to the Supreme Court of India. The judges looked into the timeline. The wife claimed the miscarriage happened in 2016, but she never mentioned it in the divorce petition she filed in 2017. Yet, she suddenly raised it in 2018 as part of a police complaint. The court found this highly suspicious. They also reviewed the medical reports. Yes, she had taken abortion pills, but there was no proof who gave them to her and no evidence that Digambar or his family forced her. So what the court said? The Supreme Court said the criminal justice system is not meant to be used as a weapon in personal disputes. They cited the famous case of the state of Haryana versus Bhajanlal, which lays down when FIRs can be quashed. And this case, according to the court, fit those conditions perfectly. So, on December 2024, the Supreme Court of India ruled, FIR quashed, case closed. So the moral is that this isn't just a case of law, it's a case about justice. Sometimes serious laws like 498A are misused. That doesn't mean the law is wrong, but it means courts must be vigilant. Because false cases hurt not just the accused, but the real victims who need these protections. I hope you liked my I hope you liked my video, and I would also be attaching the PDF of the actual judgment in my comment section. I would want you to go through the PDF, the judgment of the Supreme Court, and read it from the starting till the ending so that you understand what the journey of this case has been. So, I request you all to subscribe to my channel, like my channel and share my channel as much as possible. Thank you.